Before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel. Here's the thing about building water systems. There's no room for shortcuts. I'm walking you through the construction phase, where quality control isn't just a box to tick, it's the backbone of a project that's built to last. First up, let's talk quality control out in the field. Every weld, every joint, every carefully aligned pipe is checked, double-checked, and signed off before we move to the next stage. I always make sure inspectors are hands-on, using digital gauges and pressure tests, not just clipboards. That way, any issues get caught before they become problems buried underground. Materials matter too. I stick with corrosion-resistant pipes, HDPE, ductile iron with protective linings, even stainless steel in the toughest spots. It's not just about passing today's tests, it's about knowing that 10, 20, even 50 years from now, that pipeline will still be delivering clean water, leak-free. Best practices? Absolutely. Proper welding is non-negotiable. I want to see clean beads, minimal spatter, and uniform seams. And during installation, every pipe segment is carefully bedded, aligned, and pressure tested before backfilling. If something's not right, we pull it out and do it again. But even with the best plans, I rely on the people on the ground, site managers, material testers, and those expert welders who know their craft inside and out. I talk to them, learn what's working, and what needs tweaking. In the end, quality construction isn't about the fanciest tech or the priciest materials, it's about diligence, teamwork, and attention to every detail. Build it right, and you'll have a water system that serves communities for generations. See you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe to Affect Any Civil Infrastructure for your smart engineering insights.